In front of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this smartphone. Begin with opening settings and tapping on apps section after scrolling down. Now you need to select app lock and choose turn on. After that, create your pattern that you will set up on your apps and repeat it. When you're ready, tap on next at the bottom right corner and log in into your Mi account. If you don't want to do that, just click on Not Now, wait 5 seconds and choose Not Now again in this pop-up. Now if you wish to lock all of those apps, just tap on Use App Lock. If you don't, you have to click on all of them. Make sure that 0 is visible over here and tap on Use App Lock then. Now click on Settings if you wish to use your fingerprint to unlock your apps as well, or go with Cancel if you don't want to. Now tap on the sweater next to an app that you want to lock. I will go with YouTube. So now when I go back and try to access the YouTube app, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!